Bismillah. How to create Wix website and earn money. Wix e-commerce review 2021. What to know about Wix stores. Best all-around e-commerce platform. Our independent research project and imperial review are funded in part by affiliate commissions at no extra cost to our reader. Wix. Overall rating. Want a features rich e-commerce builder without giving up creative control over your brand and storefront design. Wix e-commerce could be the perfect choice for you. This builder is ideal for anyone looking to combine initiative editing tools with e-commerce functionality for a well-rounded online store. What are the pros and cons of Wix e-commerce? Pros. Never edit blindly. The Wix editor shows you how your editor how your edits are impacting the design of your storefront. Excellent app market. Choose from 250 plus free and paid apps to seamlessly and extra functionally to your online store. Multi-channel selling. Use Wix built-in ability to sell on Instagram to expose your brand to millions of new potentially customers. Beginner friendly. The interface is easy to use with the drag and drop editor and mobile responsive templates. Advanced e-commerce. Tools including abandoned cart recovery to catch customers who have left items in their checkout. Multilingual sites. Grow your business globally by creating multiple sites for different countries. Start building your online store for free Wix e-commerce. Try Wix e-commerce today. Further information, make sure you are choosing the best for your store. See our comparison chart of the best e-commerce website builder. Read our article on the best e-commerce platform to find out which software you should use to sell online. Overview. Overview of Wix e-commerce. You have probably already heard of Wix. You might have even seen the advertise where people build websites quickly, easily, and without ever touching a line of code. But did you know the Wix can also help you set up an online store? Wix e-commerce uses the same easy and initiative drag and drop editor you see in those adverts, allowing you to build your very own e-commerce website. No need for coding, hosting, or stressing. Simply pick your templates, customize it by dragging and dropping elements like text boxes and images around your page, and then hit publish. All of Wix e-commerce plans come with a range of great sales tools built in, which we will explain in more detail. You can see those features in action on Wix sites, such as which use a builder to show off its watch collection. Wix is the best overall e-commerce platform on the market. How do we know Wix is the best e-commerce option, beating other brands such as Shopify, Big E-commerce, Weebly, and Squarespace? We are not just guessing. We tested them all and got everyday people to test them too. We looked at all the important areas from features and pricing to ease of use. This article will take you through what we found and tell you once and for all if you should choose Wix e-commerce to build your online store. We are not going to draw it out. Here's an overview of how Wix scored in our testing. I will tell you about Wix website, many more things. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos.